Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me today for yet another little unboxing and little comparison between a small rake monitor mount for Ronin S and actual DJI Ronin S/SC adjustable monitor mount. I was using this one mainly until actually I got this one actually yesterday. So I was using this one. This one is perfectly fine. There's no issues, but there might be a little issue on some of those, as I had some comments on previous videos where some people were experiencing gimbal hitting this lever right here. So you just make sure you unscrew those screws over here, and you have to adjust it so it's fully, and I mean all the way, and then it doesn't touch it at all. So yeah, it works perfectly fine with your grip, dual hand grip from DJI. As you can see, you simply slide it on and off just like this. So I recently, as I said yesterday, got the actual DJI mount. So let's open it up and see what we'll get. Let's put this on the side right there, and we have only this. So this one is $39 from DJI stores compared to small rig. Small rig is $49, so it's $10 more expensive. But if you're using small rig cages and other mounts, it's quite useful. So and quality is really there. It's a nice and quality built item. So let's open it up, and what you'll get is now standard little book. You get a Allen key wrench, and the mount itself. All right. So let's bring the Ronin S back, and it has, like, you can see that it has a nice tightening screw which has holes through 1, 2, 3, 4 holes right there. And if you already have a Ronin S, I mean, you already have these as well. Now this is way thinner than the one that came with this mount, because the one that came with the mount is for tightening the main screw over here, so you tighten the swivel. But this one thinner would be used for tightening the actual monitor. There's a nice soft rubber over here, so we just, let's put it actually like so. Since I'm right-handed, I like to have the tightened screw on the right side right here. So let's tighten that up, and we can use and tighten it even more like so. All right. And what I already like about this is that compared to this, you were using it from the side, and if something happened, because it's not really like a firm lock, and something would open it, it might slide off and, you know, damage your Ninja 5. So what I like about this already is that you're going from a top bottom, and there's this Ronin S main unit right there, which makes sort of like a stop for this rail. So see, you don't even have to tighten it up, and it's basically just stops right there. So let's tighten it up, and okay. All right. So there you have the mount. right there. And I really like that it's coming a little bit further out from the gimbal. That way I can still see the command unit screen right there. And as well, I have more room for my thumb to operate right here underneath. So I like that already. That's very nice. Now, also, compared to a small rake's mount, as you can see, you don't have any other additional mounting points right there. So what this one has, let me turn it, I'm not sure if you can see it. Actually, let me unscrew it. Let's take it off. All right, there's a quarter inch threaded mount right there. So I don't have any idea right now what would you use it for. Maybe it's really hard to say. Maybe, I'm sure a lot of you will come up with ideas what you can mount over here, but it's nice that it's there. And it's not associated with this at all. So because it stops right there, and so it's about, I want to say, half an inch deep. So that's very nice that it's there. I like it already. So you have this additional option to mount something else in there as well. All right. So another thing is that compare to this one, which is pretty much, I mean, you can still basically use this one for anything. I mean, you know, it has the same purpose, right? So, but let me actually unscrew this one. And if you don't have Ninja 5, but you like to use your phone, you can use DJI's phone holder for Ronin S and SC, and you can actually unscrew this mount, and there's a quarter inch threaded hole right there. So we can basically mount this like so, all right? And you can use your phone as a monitor. So here's my phone, and you can basically strap it in like so, and you can use your phone as a monitor. So that's also quite useful. Yes, like I said, you can use this one same way as well, because it has the same threaded bolt right there, so it's perfectly fine. But as I mentioned, it's nice that it's coming further out from the gimbal, so that's very nice. So yeah, I mean, as I mentioned before, the difference between small rake and DJI's monitor mounts is $10, $39 for DJI, $49 at Amazon for small rake. But yeah, and also as I mentioned in previous videos, as you can see on my channel, is when you wish and you wanna basically flip these arms out, you can put them like so or whatever. You know, you can still use this mount and mount it on the top. So really lot of possibilities for you. So I'm sure that there's gonna be a lot of applications for this little monitor mount. So yeah, very nice. So as I mentioned, this was just a short unboxing and little comparison with a small rig. So if you have any questions, make sure you write them down below. I'm doing all my best to answer them as fast as I can. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.